Professor. My name is David Pratt. This is my Milestone 6 recording to show you the things that I've updated. So we've got our index page here. I'm logged in as a user, as an admin. You can see by this admin drop down. Drop down here, you've got sales report. Takes you to this. You grab a month, day, and year, and I've only got information in there for, let's see, I think, let's go November 28th, just to make sure we get a wide enough path through today. We'll create it, and it gives you the two reports that I've got in there, and it gives you the name, email, description, quantity, and total price there. So that's the create sales report. If I go here, and I did it by get, as you can see. So, and if you go here and go create sales report JSON, ooh, must be the wrong address. Let me look here. Create sales report JSON. That's why. There's no handler in there. So just got to mess up on the. There we go. You get all of those. The time, all the information in JSON of what was created, and the descriptions and all that kind of good stuff. So I'll show you the code here. Change my nav bar a little bit so that if the user is logged in, it shows. If they aren't logged in, it shows the login or register link. If they are logged in, it shows them log out, and it shows their cart. Gives them access to their cart. If they're logged in and their role is a 2, which is an admin, they've got this admin tools dropdown, which is what you saw me use to get to users, products, and then obviously to get to sales report down here. So when they click on sales report, it sends them to admin create sales report. We've got start date, end date, and then the submit button. Really simple form there. Form sends them to this. If the start date is bigger, if it's after the end date, then you've chosen a date that is before the start date, so that you got to restart. Otherwise, we'll create and access the sales report business, and then get the sales between the start date and the end date. Fetch the association, and we'll display those by including the show sales report, which is right here. And it's just it's basically a copy and paste. It's just a simple table that grabs the associated array and just displays it all. The business piece that we used, again, really simple here. Sorry, that's the wrong one. It is sales report business. Get sales between just a wrapper function for the data function, sales report data. Got that down here. And that just goes in and grabs the first name, last name, email, date, description, price, and product quantity from users. It joins the orders table and order details table, and it grabs it between start date and end date, and then orders it by the quantity descending. And then if it's true, it returns it. Otherwise, it returns null. So, and then the other one, the JSON one, it was a copy and paste of the handler here. You can see when I switch between the two, it's exactly the same. It just, instead of displaying it with an include, it echoes it as a JSON file. So really simple stuff, but there you have it, and that is how I did it. So thank you, and I will talk to you later.